It's day 2 of our 4-day split, and today we'll be focusing on our back and our abs. I really wanted to do a wide grip pull down, but it triggers my tennis elbow. So what I did is a wide grip roll to waist. The hand position is so important when you're training your back. The slightly wider hand position will focus on the outer back, and the slightly narrower position will focus more on the inner back. Now I'm hitting the lower outer back here. It's not my favorite exercise, but I do like to throw it in once a while just to keep my routine fresh and stop it from getting boring. Next, we're going to jump onto the pull down. Whether you're doing a wide grip, narrow grip, reverse grip, front forward facing grip, whatever your grip is, you need to add a pull down movement into your back routine. Now I find the reverse grip the best way to do the pull downs. One, it hits your lats like nobody's business. It's easy on your elbows, it's easy on your joints, and it gets you results. So if you don't know which one to do the reverse grip. If you're happy doing the grip that you're doing, do that one. If you need to change it up and you're a bit bored in your routine or your back's not growing, it's time to change that grip. Bent over rows using the Smith machine. Now I never thought I'd be doing bent over rows with a Smith machine, but here we are today. I didn't discover this exercise, I learnt it from another bodybuilder. On that topic, make sure you learn from different bodybuilders with different physiques and take what you like from their routine and implement it into your routine. If you get the results, continue to do it. If you don't get the results, stop doing it. It's as simple as that. Jumping back onto this exercise, I thought it put a lot of strain on my lower back, but surprisingly it didn't. Using the Smith machine makes this exercise very comfortable, but also makes it very rewarding. You go so deep into that movement that when you pull up, you're working your back through every movement. I would definitely recommend starting off nice and light and building up to a heavier weight. And I guarantee with this exercise, your back will grow. The fourth exercise for our back is the lat prayer. Now this is a great exercise for really working your lats and also isolating your lats. Now a lot of people move up and down and you lose some of the isolation. Try to stay nice and still so all the emphasis is put onto your lats. Another thing, when you're letting the weight go, let it go nice and slowly so you're working throughout the whole movement. Exercise number 5, row to waist. One of my favorite exercises and one I'll try doing every back session. Now I still see people doing this wrong, rowing to their chest, and they're probably thinking why their back isn't growing. With this exercise, you need to roll to your waist into your belly button. So you really work that lower inner back. And if you do that, you will start to see the results. Some people do this sitting still, some people lean forward, some people lean back. I like putting the forward lean and the back lean into my routine. But if you prefer doing this staying still, that's fine. If you prefer moving forward and back, that's fine. As long as your back's growing, that's the main thing. Before we jump onto our abs, we're going to do one more back exercise where we're going to focus on our lower back. Now there's no major muscles around there, so we don't have to go extremely heavy. This exercise is a great way to isolate your lower back and make it bulletproof. Now the worst thing you can do is get a lower back injury. That's why I'd recommend doing this exercise. But if your lower back is pretty bulletproof, I guess you don't have to do it. But if you're doing a back day, putting in an extra 10 minutes to finish off this exercise won't do you no harm. If anything, it'll improve your lower back strength. Weighted crunches. You need to add some form of weight to your crunches to maximize your gains on your abs. My number one exercise for abs is leg raises, and I will shout that from the rooftops. There is no better exercise than leg raises, but you need to change it up. You can only do leg raises twice a week, so I would recommend weighted crunches twice a week. So you'll be hitting your abs at least 4 times a week. So that's day 2 done of our 4-day split. We covered our back and our abs, and tomorrow I'll see you for a leg day. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'm also offering one-to-one coaching. The link's in the description. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.